Hi guys. So look what I got here today. Literally like 10 minutes ago. I'm nervous because first of all, I want to pull Yoongi. I never pull Yoongi, but I want to pull him for some reason. But I don't know, because I'm gonna buy Yoongi regardless. That's how I always do. So if I don't pull Yoongi, I really hope I pull JK. Like, I never pulled JK either. Like, I think I pulled him once, maybe. And I feel like that was just for DVDs. And I feel like that was just for like pure luck. And I really want to pull him because I don't want to trade. But I also don't know what I want to do yet. I don't know if I want to do my usual Yoon Cook, you know, little collection, because I always get both of them for DVDs and Blu-rays, because like I said, I'm gonna buy Yoongi regardless. But I don't know this time. I don't know. This is really pretty. So it's in the sleeve. Okay. Oh my god. But these. Wait, are these hollow as well? Oh, they're legit postcards. Okay. Ooh. These are pretty. This is what they look like on the back. He looks so good here. His hair, platinum Hobie. Something else. He's so pretty too. His poodle hair. Okay. This is a little standee. Cute. Okay, now how do I do this? How am I gonna do this? This is really cute. One of my friends is texting me, telling me to open it. But, oh, these are cute. These are DVDs. Oh my god, I'm nervous. Oh my god. Okay, it's not Yoongi. It's not Yoongi. I saw white. I think the names are on it. I saw a white t-shirt, so it's definitely not Yoongi. I saw all the pieces. I saw a template for it. Who has on a white shirt? Is it June? I know June has on a white shirt, but is June the only one who has on a white shirt? I'm nervous. Okay, quick little flip through. Oh my god. Okay. This was whoa. This mustard, even though it didn't have a crowd, was really good. It was fun. Okay, I really want to see the full card, so I'm just gonna get a little flip through. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, he's adorable. Okay. It's June. I know it's June. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I knew it. I fucking knew it. Oh my god. My best friend's gonna flip the fuck out. It's crazy because we both said we wanted this, but she is going to flip the fuck out when I show her this. Oh my god, this is one of his best, hands down. He looks so good. Oh my god, yeah, I think I'm gonna keep this. He looks so, first of all, he looks so good. But yeah, okay, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with this, and I'm gonna figure out, I think I'm gonna keep it, but now I just have to find Yoongi. All right guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.